So I just wanted to kind of go over the importance of teaching new diabetics how to, inject insulin, how to read a sliding scale, and the importance of eating regularly when they get discharged from a hospital or a skilled nursing facility while they're still there. I had a patient who was like in his 50s, Asian American male. He's not Korean, but for this example, let's just say he's Korean. And he went to his pharmacy after getting discharged home, picked up the medication, and everything was, all the directions were in Korean. Well, he's Korean American, and he speaks some Korean, but he definitely doesn't read in Korean. So not only was he not taught how to withdraw insulin, how to inject insulin, he was not given the directions on how to, give a certain amount of units of insulin based on his blood sugar. For nurses out there, this may seem very simple to you, and for the baby nurses out there like I was when I was working on med-surg years ago, you think it's something simple that people should know, but it's not, especially for new people, new diabetics, or diabetics who've been chronic, but they just figured out that it was a serious issue. So this guy, instead of giving himself 24-hour long-lasting Lantus, 20 units per day, he was taking 20 units of Lispro, which is a rapid-acting insulin, and causing himself to pass out. So I instructed him that, he could even put himself into a coma if he took too much. And he said, yeah, I think that's why I've been passing out these past couple of days, and he wasn't able to answer my phone call. So after multiple calls to the home health, multiple calls to the member, he actually finally, after a week and a half of being home by himself, got a home health nurse to come over there, and show him how to inject insulin. But since the stroke that he had, the right side of his body is flaccid, so he actually is having difficulty withdrawing the insulin from the vial. So I'm going to try to approve insulin pen, so it's easier for him to inject using one hand. But the purpose of this video is just to let you know that even something that seems as simple as like insulin, how to inject insulin, these things are quite important to the average folks out there who have never taken diabetes seriously or are just finding out that they have to take insulin. Poor guy was injecting 20 units of Lispro, rapid-acting insulin, into his body when it should have been like between 2 units and 12 maximum if he was like 450 plus blood sugar readings. But he was just doing it, 3 times a day. I asked him, how did you know what amount to give yourself? He said, I would just guess. So, please teach your people how to take insulin properly so they don't end up in a coma in the ER and wasting all these healthcare dollars. It's your boy, Martin Reyes, the Nurse Ninja, friendly neighborhood ninja. So, doing my PSA, all right? If you like it, just click like. If you don't, then, I don't like you either. Peace.